Well, if you're looking to study in Canada and you have the question that whether you should be choosing a diploma program or you should be doing a degree over here in Canada, if you're an international student and you're confused, then this video has complete answer for you. Stay in touch throughout the video.
Check, Johnny Hans.
Check, this is Johnny Hans, and in this particular vlog, we're going to talk about if you're planning to study here in Canada and if you're confused that whether you should be choosing a degree program or a diploma program. Well, let me just tell you, it really depends what exactly your vision is. If you're looking forward to study for short term, then diploma is a good option. But if you're looking to study at least for 3 to 4 years in Canada, then degree can be a very good choice for you. Now, it really depends because a lot of universities have degrees. And the more of if we talk about like the bigger universities or like the main universities of Canada, they have major degree programs. It's not just that they have degrees, they have certain diplomas as well. But if you see on a larger scale, it's more colleges here in Canada that offers diploma programs. Now, diploma programs can range anywhere between 8 months to 2 year to 3 year. But mostly they are like 2-year program. But there are certain colleges that are offering 1-year fast-track diplomas as well, which are considered as like a postgraduate diplomas. So that's also an opportunity available for you. But now if we talk about the postgraduate work permit, from whichever country you are coming to study here in Canada, if you study for more than, anywhere more than 8 months, and if your program is more than 900 hours, then you are eligible for postgraduate work permit, provided that the college or the university that you're studying in is a DLI approved institution and is eligible for postgraduate work permit. Well, we will do a separate video on postgraduate work permits, like how exactly you can apply for it, or which type of programs or colleges are eligible for postgraduate work permits. So we will do a separate video. But talking about particularly postgraduate work permit, if you're studying in university or college, irrespective of that, you will still get postgraduate work permit. And if your goal is to genuinely earn a bachelor's degree or a master's degree, then definitely you should go for a degree program. And it can range anywhere between, 25,000 to 60,000. But if you're looking to study in a cost-effective manner, then diploma can be a very good choice for you, because diplomas can cost you anywhere between 20,000 to 30,000. But if you're doing only a 1-year postgraduate diploma or 1-year fast-track diploma, then it might cost you only 15,000 on an average. So these are approximate figures that I'm giving. And now, other thing is that whether you're applying for studying here in Canada, if you're applying in particularly Quebec, then you need a Quebec Certificate of Acceptance. That means you need a CAQ as well, which is a kind of study permit to study in Quebec, after which you get the study permit from Canadian federal government. So that's the process to study in Quebec. But in other provinces, you don't need CAQ, you just need a Canadian study permit. Now coming back to the part of a diploma or a degree. If you look at the job prospects, it really depends upon you how you approach. Generally, there's a perception that if you do a degree in a college, a university, or a reputed college, there are more chances you will get a very good job. But contrary to that, we have also seen the trend. There are students who have just done diplomas from standard colleges and still have been working at very good companies. So it really depends how exactly are you looking for those jobs. But in this particular vlog, we are sharing information about education in case if you're studying, interested in studying here in Canada, or if you're looking to move to Canada. And if you're looking to study in any university or college, our team can help you to get admissions or to map programs for you, like what type of program are you looking for, which can actually help you to excel your career here in Canada. You can contact our team. We will leave a Google form in the description, which you can fill if you have IELTS score, or if you're coming from an English speaking or native English speaking country, then you may not need English score for that. So on that note, I can also share it with you, like we have an Punjabi and a Hindi channel which is called Check Johnny Hans. You can join us on that if you want content in Hindi or Punjabi. But if you're looking for more English content, Everything in Canada or everything about Canada is the channel where we'll be featuring that. Well, in this YouTube channel, we'll be discussing different topics and different things related to Canada, because this channel is everything about Canada. And if you genuinely liked our video and information, please make sure you like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel and hit bell button so that the next video that we are coming up, it flashes on your screen or you get the notification for that. On that note, it's me, Johnny Hans, signing off for the day. Enjoy. Thank you.
I've asked my problems to raise their standard. I've asked my problems to raise their standard because I have raised my confidence in me. From every morning hour to every late night, I work relentlessly to make my day bright. Well, nothing's easy. My struggle is hard. To win the game is my only card. Now swim or sink in an eye to blink. Some people are really smart. On the face they greet you. They stab at your back and often mistreat you. Well, it was just a matter of days. It was just a matter of days. I'm blessed with a voice to raise. But now is my time to bring the change. Small, medium, large, or of any range. Getting rid of small thinking and all the pollution. Stop thinking about the problem, started thinking about the solution. I've got my shit together. I've got my shit together and doing the essential. I'm unstoppable for you as I've realized my potential. I'm using my suffering to thrive and grow. I'm using my suffering to thrive and grow. See momentum of my efforts going to and fro. I'm blessed, well dressed, so get ready to get impressed. My style is in my confidence. My style is in my confidence and not in the clothes that are branded. I've asked my problems to raise their standard because I have raised my confidence in me. Look, people gonna say whatever they like. People gonna say whatever they like. I'm gonna keep making my point till this stage can hold me and I can hold this mic. Now you find me really dumb or find me really smart, but I have stopped listening to the world and started listening to my heart, increasing the efforts and increased their frequency. My words may still mumble, but my thoughts have got fluency. Now to put me down, you have lost the chance. Now to put me down, you have lost the choice. To raise my level up, I'm ready to pay the price. You like me or you hate me. You like me or you hate me, but you can't really ignore. I'm beating on my craft and improving a little more. The universe is with me. The universe is with me. I'm one-man army. I'm one-man army fighting single-handed. I have asked my problems to raise their standard because I have raised my confidence in me. I know you're trying on my dreams to abortion with disgrace, discouragement in the right proportion. I try to be fluent and still I stammer. Deep in the darkness, away from the glamour. You think you're gonna give hardships and I'm gonna buy it? Well, don't even try it, cause I understand the fact quite clear and intact. Fear exists more in the mind than in the reality, and that's the mentality. That's the mentality we really need to change. And yes, in exchange, experience the abundance than the redundance of day-to-day life. It's a world full of opportunities. It's a world full of opportunities in which I have just landed. So I have asked my problems to raise their standard because I have raised my confidence in me. And so should you. Period.